Hello guys, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great because festive season is here and I think you guys will be needing some party makeup look for this winter season. So I have come up with this makeup look which is Christmas Eve special. So if you do like this makeup look, please keep on watching till the end. And if you are new here, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update from my channel. I have recently received this box full of makeup products from Inside Cosmetics. So in today's video, I will be using them and will share my review on them as there are many products which I will be using today for the first time. So you guys will get to know my first impression about them. So let's get started. So for the primer, I will be using that primer from Inside Cosmetics which I am not using for the first time. You guys have seen me using it multiple times on my channel, and also I have recommended this primer for oily and combination skin like million times. So yeah, this is a silicone based primer, oil free primer, but it doesn't dry out your face. So this is my one of the most favorite drugstore products. At this budget, this primer is a must have for the oily skinned people especially, and also it closes pores. So if you have pores, you can also definitely give it a try. For the foundation, I will be using this ultra thin second skin long wear foundation from Inside Cosmetics. It says it gives satiny matte finish to the skin, so I will be mixing it up with this face serum from Nykaa Cosmetics, which is very hydrating and gives an instant glow to the skin. So as it's winter season, so I need that hydration. As I am using that foundation for the first time, so I have taken one drop of the foundation as it says that it gives a sheer to full coverage. So I will gradually build it up later if I need it, but for the first time I will just put a thin layer of the foundation on my skin. It blends very smoothly, I must say, and also I love the sheer coverage which it is providing, as I always want lightweight base so that my skin can breathe at least. From the texture, I can say this foundation is totally oil free, so this is perfect for the oily and combination skin and who have dry skin or feel dry especially during the winter season like me. You can definitely mix it up with any facial oil or serum like I did. So yeah, at this budget, this is a very good foundation for me. And next they have this concealer and correct palette. This one also I am using for the first time, and oh my god, I so loved it because first of all, the shade options this palette has are for like all complexions from fair to dusky skin, everyone, and for the correction also you will get all the shade options. So from the professionals to the people who use for their personal makeup, both can try this palette out. Also, I didn't have the idea that it would give that much coverage. Like I didn't even need the orange corrector. I used the shade which is exactly matched to my skin tone, and another light shade I have used for highlighting my face on top of it. It has the creamy texture which is super blendable. I think I didn't even like need the foundation if I would have used it first. So yeah, I don't know, at 180 or 190 maybe, how can they provide such a good quality concealer? Like seriously, I have no idea. I'm blown away by that concealer. See the close-up look under the daylight. I haven't used any artificial light or any filters, so yeah. Next they have that duo 2-in-1 stick which you can use for contouring your face and another side for the highlighting your face. So I will be using that conceal contour side for giving dimension to my face. The shade details of every product are given in the description box, and also I have put down the link of all the product in my description box, so you guys can check them out from there. Like the concealer, it does also have the creamy texture, so it blends effortlessly like the concealer also, even with the brush. And at the beginning I thought that the shade was not perfect for me, but now I think it's absolutely perfect for my skin tone. So whoever have dusky skin tone can definitely try this shade out for sculpting your face, and also it is giving a sun-kissed like a warmth to my skin. And whoever likes light cream contouring like me can definitely try this shade out if your skin tone matches with my skin tone. For the cream highlighting, I will be using that highlighter side from that stick, and seriously, I didn't expect that it will be that much pigmented, and also the product has so much creamy texture that it blends so seamlessly and effortlessly. It doesn't like give you any trouble while blending it out. The makeup products from Inside Cosmetics, I think, are especially made for the beginners, like seriously, because they are budget friendly, and also the texture of every products are so smooth and creamy that if you are using them for the first time, you won't get any trouble while blending. It will like settle down on your skin without any hustle or anything. So for the cream blush, I will be using that lip and cheek tint from Earth Rhythm, and will be applying it on the apples of my cheeks and on the tip of my nose. I love that blush not only because I love blush, but because it is very hydrating after you apply that blush. And also, if you don't apply any other makeup products on your face and only apply that tint on your cheeks and lips, it looks very natural and hydrating at the same time. And now, as I am done with all the cream products, I will be using a translucent powder to lock my makeup base, especially my concealer, so that it doesn't crease and it will make my concealer long lasting. So I am using that translucent powder from Inside Cosmetics, which gives a matte finish to my face, and also it controls shine and gives an even finish to your makeup look. So it is absolutely perfect for all skin type. So I will be using the translucent powder only wherever my skin gets oily. That's it. For powder contouring, I will be using that highlight and contour powder palette from K Beauty. I have already recommended that palette on my Nykaa haul, Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. I love that palette because it has bronzer, contour and highlighter shade in one palette, and also it blends very smoothly, and this palette is absolutely perfect for the Indian skin tone. So yeah, I love that palette. So I have applied the powder contour wherever I have applied the cream contour earlier. So yeah. So for the powder blush, I will be using that blush duo palette from Nykaa Cosmetics, and will be applying it on top of my cream blush. For the powder highlighter, I will be using that Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. This is super pigmented, and it was my first buy when I started working as a professional makeup artist. And also, it doesn't have any chunk like finish or anything. It gives a smooth skin like finish rather. So I absolutely love that highlighter without any doubt. Now to set my base, I will be using that makeup fixer from Glam 21 and will be applying it all over my face. So take a close-up look and see my skin is glowing. It is looking very dewy, and also it doesn't have any thick layer of foundation or anything. So yeah. Now I will be doing my eyebrows off camera and will get back to you guys. And after that, I will start my eye makeup. And for the eyeshadow, I will be using that Forever 52 eyeshadow palette, and will be mixing these two shades and applied it on my eyelids. On the outer corner first I will be applying it, and then I will drag it till the inner corner. I won't be using any other shade. Just by building up that same color, I will deepen up my crease area. Next, taking a clean brush, I will be blending all the edges so that my eyeshadow looks seamless. And next, taking a pencil brush, I will be using the same eyeshadow on my lower eyelid and will be building up the color gradually. And next, to make the edges look seamless, I will be using that clean brush again to blend everything up. And as this is going to be a party makeup look, so I will be using a glitter, and that is from Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. And taking a clean brush, I will be spreading up the glitter on my eyelid so that the edges of the glitter doesn't look harsh. And for the eyeliner, I will be using that eyeliner pen from Inside Cosmetics. It has a very sharp tip, so it is perfect for the smooth application, and also it dries out very quickly, and also the color of this eyeliner pen is very intense. So for the intensity of the color, I will give it 10 on 10 guys, and it also very like mattifying and perfect for the beginner. If you are looking for an affordable eyeliner pen, please go for it. And for the eyelashes, I will be using that mascara from Maybelline. I know there is nothing much I have to say about that mascara because everyone knows about it and everyone loves this mascara without any doubt. And to make my eyes look bigger, I will be using that white kajal from Wet n Wild and will be applying it on my waterline. And for the lipstick, I will be using that lip color from Inside Cosmetics to outline my lips. These lipsticks are very pigmented in color and also they are transfer and smudge proof, and it has a hydrating base, so it prevents your lips from excess drying. To fill in the inner part of the lips, I will be using that lipstick from Smashbox. The shade details are given in the description box, so you guys can check them out from there. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this whole makeup look. I really liked how it has turned out. The base is looking so dewy and the eyes are giving the party vibe already. I hope you guys will have a blast this Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone and stay happy, stay healthy. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.